How to sell on Kijiji. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sell your products on your Kijiji website. So first of all you have to do is just open the Kijiji official website, and after that just simply log into your account if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account just simply click on the register section, which will show you right up here where you can see my profile icon, and just simply enter your credentials like your name, your email address, and create a password for yourself. And after that just simply create your account on Kijiji official website, and once your account is created you will be landed to the particular homepage that you can see on my screen right now. And in order to sell products on Kijiji, all you have to do is just click on the post ad section from the top right of the screen. Just simply click on it, and after that you need to enter a title for the product that you want to sell. For example, I want to sell my iPhone, so I'm just gonna type the name of the iPhone that I have, and after that just simply click on next. And now you have to select the categories in which the item comes. So for example, there are different categories like buy and sell, car, vehicle, services, pets, and other. But Kijiji has suggested a category which says cell phone, so I'm just gonna go in with this particular one as well. Just simply tap on it, and on this page you need to add the details of the product that you would want to sell, and after that you can also add a description for the product that you are going to sell. And in the media section you need to upload the picture of the product that you would want to sell. Make sure that the picture are clear, and the picture should be clear enough for the buyer to see exactly what the product exactly look like. If there is any fault in the product, you need to describe the fault in the description section right here, and make sure to highlight that particular default in the product in the picture section. Just upload the pictures, add the description and details of the products related to the product that you are going to sell. You can also upload the video of the product that you want to sell. You can enter the YouTube URL in this particular tab right here, or you can also add the website URL if you own a particular website of your own. And after that just simply enter your location with your street address and your postal code, and after that just mention the price on which you want to sell the product. And after that just enter your contact information like your phone number, your email address. You can also add a feature to promote your ads, or you can also see the price right here. And once you are done entering all these details, just click on post your ad. And after that, once you post your ad, the different buyer that are there in the Kijiji will see your ad, and interested buyer will come to you and probably buy your product that you are selling on Kijiji. So this is basically how you will be able to sell on Kijiji. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.